This is an octopus spy. The mimic octopus senses danger and reveals itself. The flatfish realizes its mistake and stops following. Then, it spots a venomous lionfish. The mimic octopus is intrigued. It changes its color to match the lionfish, then spreads its tentacles, mimicking the lionfish's spines. After observation, it can mimic over 10 marine species. Even the octopus spy is on its mimic list. As the spy prepares to end filming, a coconut octopus approaches. It's curious about the spy and gets close. Thank you for watching. Time limit. Subscribe for all.